Hello everyone, my name is Stavros Naniadis and I study police technology at Hunsid College. Police technology is the field of study that you need to take if ever you want to become a police officer later on or an investigator. Today, I will show you a very good website to check your grammar after writing a message or an essay for school. So let's start by typing in the URL in the address bar. Go to the address bar, type in virtual writing tutor.com. Press enter and it brings you to this website right here. You can see that the website is called the Virtual Writing Tutor with the logo that's in the top left corner of the screen. In the top right corner of the screen, there are different icons that you can press to redirect you to other websites like Twitter, Facebook. At the top of the screen in the middle, there's a navigation bar right here that can let you explore different stuff about the website, terms, what it's about. You can contact them, there's a blog, and there are different games. So let's get to the point of the website. Since I'm in police technology, let's write a sentence about that. So let's write, I want to be a police officer, period. So that is my sentence. Right here, you can see there are different buttons that you can press on, which could check your word count, check your grammar, check target structures, check your punctuation, check your essay, your writing, your vocabulary, and you can also clear your message. So if we clear, it clears your message completely. So let's rewrite it. I want to be a police officer, period. So today what we're going to do is check our grammar. Press on the button and it shows you your error profile. So as you can see, it counted that there are 7 words, 1 paragraph, 1 error, and 50% error density. So what we wrote was, I want to be a police officer. Gives you feedback saying that you need to uppercase the I, which is the error type, a capitalization error, and it suggests that you have to capitalize the I. So if we go back up and we clear and we write it correctly, I want to be a police officer, period. If we check our grammar now, there shouldn't be any errors. 7 words, 1 paragraph, 0 errors, 0 error density. Press the little robot here.
You are very good looking and intelligent. I really like you.
I love that robot. So today I showed you the virtualwritingtutor.com, which is a very good website to check your grammar, your writing, your punctuation, your essays. So if ever you're writing an essay or a message for any English class for school, just copy paste your message into the virtualwritingtutor.com right here. Check your grammar, check your writing, check your punctuation, check your essay, and you can get 100%, man. Have a nice day. Thank you.